In our hyper-connected world, cybersecurity is a necessity. Everyone is a potential target. The NIST Cybersecurity Framework offers a flexible, scalable approach to managing cybersecurity risks. It is a set of guidelines, not mandates. Organizations can tailor it to their specific needs. It caters to all sizes and sectors, emphasizing a proactive, risk-based approach. The framework's impact is global, influencing policies and practices worldwide, fostering a secure digital ecosystem. The first step in any successful defense is understanding the terrain. Identify your assets, systems, and data. Conduct a comprehensive inventory. Understand data flows within and outside your organization. Identify potential threats and vulnerabilities. Analyze systems for weaknesses. Assess the impact of potential attacks. Prioritize security measures based on risk assessment. Determine your organization's risk tolerance. Conduct a cost-benefit analysis. Manage and mitigate risks to an acceptable level. Regularly update and review your identify function. Continuously reassess risk profiles as technology evolves. Ensure cybersecurity posture remains effective against evolving threats. Once you understand your vulnerabilities, the next step is to erect defenses. Implement safeguards to protect critical assets and data. Use firewalls and intrusion detection systems along with security awareness training and access control policies. Encryption is crucial to protect sensitive information. Regular data backups and a disaster recovery plan are essential. Protecting the workforce is equally important. Security awareness training educates employees. Strong password policies and multi-factor authentication add layers of security, create multiple layers of defense. This ensures that if one layer fails, others are in place. Despite the best defenses, breaches can still occur. Timely detection of security incidents is crucial. Implementing detection systems and monitoring tools is essential. Clear procedures for incident reporting and escalation are needed. Employees should be trained to recognize and report incidents. Prompt reporting initiates a timely response. Analyzing events helps identify patterns and trends. Understanding attacker tactics refines defenses. Sharing threat intelligence enhances detection. Constant vigilance is essential. Tools and procedures identify and analyze threats. Early detection contains incidents and minimizes impact. The respond function outlines the steps to take when a security incident is detected. It involves a coordinated effort to contain the incident, eradicate the threat, and minimize the damage. Having a well-defined incident response plan is crucial for ensuring a swift and effective response. The response plan should outline roles and responsibilities, communication channels, and escalation procedures. It should include steps for isolating affected systems, containing the damage, and eradicating the threat. Regularly testing and updating the incident response plan ensures its effectiveness in real-world scenarios. Recovering from an incident involves restoring systems and data to their pre-incident state. This may involve restoring from backups, rebuilding compromised systems, and implementing measures to prevent similar incidents from recurring. Communication with stakeholders, including customers, partners, and regulatory bodies, is critical throughout the response and recovery process. The respond function emphasizes the importance of swift and decisive action. A well-coordinated response can significantly reduce the impact of a security incident, minimizing downtime, data loss, and reputational damage. Recovering from a security incident is not just about restoring data and systems. It's about learning from the incident and emerging stronger. Post-incident analysis and continuous improvement are crucial. Conducting a thorough review helps identify the root cause and areas for improvement. This involves analyzing logs and reviewing procedures, extract valuable lessons to strengthen security, implement corrective actions based on lessons learned, update controls and refine procedures, emphasize a cycle of continuous improvement, document incidents for future reference, use documentation to improve plans and inform decisions. It serves as a historical record. Cybersecurity is an ongoing process, constantly adapt, learn, and improve. Regular audits are essential to ensure the effectiveness of your cybersecurity framework. These audits provide a comprehensive assessment of your organization's security controls, policies, and procedures. Independent auditors, often certified in the NIST Cybersecurity Framework, conduct these evaluations. The audit process typically involves document reviews, interviews, and technical assessments. Auditors examine security policies, incident response plans, and other relevant documentation. They interview key personnel to understand their roles and responsibilities in maintaining cybersecurity. Technical assessments may involve vulnerability scans, penetration testing, and reviews of system configurations. These assessments help identify weaknesses in the organization's technical infrastructure that could be exploited by attackers. The audit culminates in a detailed report outlining the findings and recommendations. The audit report is not merely a checklist of compliance, but a valuable tool for improvement. It provides organizations with actionable insights to strengthen their security posture, address vulnerabilities, and enhance their overall cybersecurity resilience. The NIST Cybersecurity Framework is not a static document. Since its initial release in 2014, it has undergone several revisions and updates to keep pace with the evolving threat landscape and technological advancements. These updates reflect the collective wisdom of cybersecurity experts from government, industry, and academia. The latest version of the framework incorporates lessons learned from real-world cyber attacks and emerging threats. It provides guidance on addressing new challenges, such as the increasing use of cloud computing, the Internet of Things, IoT, and the evolving tactics of cyber adversaries. The framework's evolution is driven by a commitment to collaboration and continuous improvement. NIST actively solicits feedback from stakeholders, including organizations, cybersecurity professionals, and researchers, to ensure that the framework remains relevant and effective. The NIST Cybersecurity Framework is a living document, constantly evolving to meet the challenges of the ever-changing cyber threat landscape. Its adaptability and responsiveness ensure its continued relevance as a leading cybersecurity standard. The NIST Cybersecurity Framework has had a profound impact on global cybersecurity standards and practices. Its adoption by organizations worldwide has fostered a more secure and resilient digital ecosystem. The framework's influence extends beyond national borders, shaping cybersecurity policies and practices globally. Governments and regulatory bodies around the world have drawn inspiration from the NIST Cybersecurity Framework in developing their cybersecurity strategies. Its principles of risk management, collaboration, and continuous improvement have become fundamental tenets of cybersecurity best practices. The framework's emphasis on public-private partnerships has fostered greater collaboration between governments, industry, and academia in addressing cybersecurity challenges. This collaborative approach is crucial in combating cyber threats, which often transcend national borders and require a coordinated global response. The NIST Cybersecurity Framework will continue to play a pivotal role in shaping the future of cybersecurity. As technology advances and new threats emerge, the framework will continue to evolve, providing organizations with a roadmap to navigate the complex world of cybersecurity and build a more secure and resilient digital future.